मतलब तू क्या बोलने मांग रहा है कि लाइक उसके बाद से मून
हुआ नहीं
लैंडिंग्स
है।
हुआ नहीं है?
हाँ।
क्या बोल रहा है?
हाँ।
क्या बात कर रहा है? नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग
नहीं
के
हुआ।
बाद मून
अरे
लैंडिंग्स नहीं
हम
हुआ?
चाइनीज।
स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स is very similar to the structure of our brain.
Saturn and Jupiter are coming like this.
What's good, you guys? My name is Harsh, and this is of the Visionaries podcast. So, the guest we have today on our podcast is the first guest who's repeated on this episode on this podcast. ठीक है, शरद, you're the first guest जो जो पहली मतलब second time आ रहा है. नहीं नहीं.
अरे एक्चुअली यार इट्स अमेजिंग यार.
अरे यार नहीं नहीं, मेरे को दूसरा ईयरफोन डाल देने का है. बट हाँ, शरद, लास्ट टाइम वी टॉक्ड अबाउट लिंक्डइन. ठीक है, वी रिवॉल्व अराउंड लिंक्डइन, हाउ टू ग्रो ऑन लिंक्डइन, हाउ टू बिकम द मास्टर ऑफ लिंक्डइन. एंड बट टुडे वी आई ऑल्सो टोल्ड यू दैट हम लोग पॉडकास्ट करेंगे और भी आगे जाके अबाउट our favorite topics like alien, god, life, space, time travel, multiverse, ye wo. And today is one of those episodes. So before starting the episode, I would like to tell you all ki like this episode is a very basic and very introductory episode about a series which I and Sharad are planning to take forward, which will be all about space explorations, whatever I told just now, जो भी अभी मैं बोला, life, God, alien, alien, जो भी है, everything, it will be coming on a series. And it might be like one episode in a month. And or like बहुत अच्छा लगा तो like we can do it like once in 2 weeks or so. But the whole motive of this series is to take you all on a journey, or take you all on a space trip altogether, where y'all can experience by listening this audio some things which y'all might know, some things which y'all might not know, and some things which no one knows. So वाओ, ये तो भाई बहुत अच्छा बोल दिया. मैं अच्छा डायलॉग था. अभी स्पॉन्टेनियसली निकल गया. नाइस. But हाँ, so the whole thing is about that. And me and Sharad, we are no experts, or we are no CIA agents, or we are no people sitting in the Pentagon researching about all this. We are just normal human beings who are busy in our own lives. And when we meet, we talk about all this. So I just thought, why not make a content piece out of this whole thing, because the talks are quite interesting. And basically, when it comes to space, everything is interesting. So Sharad, firstly, welcome to the episode. मैं इतना बड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दिया, शरद को चुप कर दिया. शरद ऑकवर्ड हो गया अभी पूरा कि क्या बोलूँ अब मैं. बट शरद, वेलकम टू द एपिसोड. एंड फर्स्टली, ये नहीं डाले सच में?
नहीं नहीं, सच में मत डालिए ना.
अच्छा ठीक है, ये काट दूंगा. सो हाँ शरद, व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन दिस होल सीरीज? मतलब तेरे को क्या लगता है हम लोग क्या क्या चीज़ कैसे आगे ले जाएंगे, और तेरा क्या पर्पस है इस सीरीज से?
See, this series is all about taking people with us on a journey, as you said, to see what space, astronomy, or universe, how it all began, the theory of everything, because we have got no practical experience
Nice.
except for
Nice plug. The theory of
travel.
everything. Nice.
So we're just going on a journey. We'll just talk about bits of this, bits of that, bits of everything, and we'll talk about also Stephen Hawking's what he thought, and about Tesla, about the pyramids, Egypt, and how it was built, and how it is there, how it resonates to the Orion's belt, and to many things from when we used to fight with swords, and now we are fighting with cannons and missiles and nuclear bombs. How we are means moving forward in the world while technologically being advanced with new types of military weapons, and how it all started, and etc. etc. We'll cover everything in this series.
Exactly. exactly. So basically, we will be covering everything which is not known, which is very little known to us. So I think ये podcast का नाम, मतलब I can make a podcast का अंदर एक podcast. So this can be named as The Unknown, like this
Yeah, it
whole
sounds
series.
good actually.
Yeah, The Unknown.
The
अरे
unknown
भाई मेरा
journey.
अचानक से आज क्यों कहाँ से क्रिएटिविटी आ रहा है भाई.
Actually, we
नहीं
can
नहीं.
go on like this, the unknown journey.
Exactly.
Yeah,
नहीं
this is
भाई.
actually sounding good, man.
आई नो राइट भाई. मैं जब से ट्रिप से आया हूँ ना, मैं अभी
Actually,
3-4 दिन ट्रिप में गया था फ्रेंड्स लोग के संग. उसके बाद से जो भाई मेरा जो क्रिएटिविटी आ रहा है भाई. बट ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड हो गया हूँ मैं, सेल्फ सेंटर्ड. बट एनीवेज, let's start this whole thing. Today is the first episode and this will be very introductory, basic. So let's start off with a very beginning thing, very basic thing about the formation of the universe and like the Big Bang theory, and like what all how do you think, what are your perspectives and opinions on the Big Bang theory?
see, according to the scientists, we believe that they believe that universe was started with a big bang. Like they believe that there was a big, huge star. Was this big star that actually exploded into many small stars, galaxies, universes, and everything. So basically, universe is nothing, just a galaxy in which there are lots of planets present. So everything is just planets. So there were millions of planets formed, and we are present in a vast, expanding universe. So we can say that there was, if something was at this point, at that time, a star was here, and if it had exploded at this point of time, so everything around it, it
हाँ.
exploded everywhere. So some stars are there, here.
अच्छा.
So they are just expanding by the force present in space.
अच्छा. And
This is just universe.
it has been continued to expand till now. Like अभी भी होते
It
जा
is
रहे हैं.
still expanding. हाँ अभी भी हो रहा है, and the scientists believe that there will be a point of time when everything will be stopped. They will not expand.
अच्छा.
They will again come back together in one piece. This is just a theory. I don't believe in
अच्छा.
this, but this is actually a fact also according to scientists. If something
अच्छा.
can expand, something can contract also.
इंटरेस्टिंग. तो इस चीज़ से तो एक वन क्वेश्चन विच अराइजेज इनटू माय माइंड इज दैट व्हेन पीपल से दैट वी माइट फाइंड वन डे द एंड ऑफ द यूनिवर्स, दैट द होल कॉन्सेप्ट जो अभी स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन का जो रीसेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है इज दैट द व्हाट इज द एंड ऑफ यूनिवर्स, लाइक वेयर इज दिस एंडिंग. सो अभी जो
Practically
तू
speaking, practically speaking, we can never find the end of the universe.
या फॉर श्योर.
Because see, we as humans have got traveling problems from Earth to the Sun or to Jupiter or to Pluto. There's Voyager 1 and 2 which have surpassed Pluto in the solar system, but we are not in contact right now. There have been 1 or 2 communications in between. But if we talk about further going further out of our galaxy, it's we are not that technologically advanced yet. Because we have to travel millions of years, and we're talking about millions of years. So talk about generations after that. So we need to travel through wormholes, like scientists call wormholes, traveling from one place to the other in a second. Like if you're in this place, and if this place is around millions of kilometers far, so you get into here and you are out from this side, so you're traveling from one place to another of millions of kilometers in just a fraction of a second or a second.
हाँ.
So we have to achieve that kind of level of technology, but we are just type 1 civilization right now.
It's
We're not
interesting
there
that
yet.
you it's very interesting that you brought up the concept of wormhole, because um, let's break this down. Okay, a wormhole is something जहाँ से तुम, it's like a funnel kind of thing, right? कि तुम यहाँ से गए और यहाँ गए, ठीक है? It's a tunnel kind of thing, and it क्या करता है, टाइम को बेंड कर दे रहा है बेसिकली, ठीक है?
It's just basically this thing. You've got a sheet of paper. You just bend it.
Exactly.
Just bend this paper, from here. This is just
हाँ.
a point. You've traveled from this place, you have bent time and space around you.
हाँ.
You're traveling from this
Hmm.
side and you're exiting from this side in just a second.
हाँ.
This is
नहीं,
wormhole.
that is wormhole. Now, one thing which is not related to this, completely unrelatable to this, but since we are talking about this wormhole thing, what is a black hole? Like, what is the
Black
point
hole
of
is
a black hole?
something. Yeah,
Because
nothing.
wormholes have not yet been discovered.
Yeah,
Black hole has been discovered, I guess.
it has been discovered, but we as humans do not understand it well because
Okay.
black hole is said to absorb everything,
Hmm. Hmm.
whatever
Hmm.
comes close to it. A tiny bit of black hole, even a teaspoonful of black hole can
हाँ.
absorb the whole Earth. So black holes is something that we do not fully understand yet, but we understand this much that anything around it will be sucked into a black hole, and we believed anything sucked into it will be released into something else from another place. So there is this concept that if black holes exist, there are something as white holes, just like
Hmm.
wormholes.
Hmm. Hmm.
Wormholes
Hmm.
are something which you have got at one point and the other, and you go from one place to another. Black holes and white holes are the same thing, but we've not found white holes, we found black holes. So
Hmm.
black holes are nothing which like bends time and space around you and catches you in. Nothing else.
अच्छा.
So we know only
हाँ.
this much about black hole. It absorbs all the light.
हाँ. हाँ. मतलब उसमें उसमें कोई टाइम बेंडिंग का कोई सीन नहीं है, उसमें खाली अब्जॉर्प्शन हो रहा है, और फिर वो
है ना?
कहाँ जा
नहीं
रहे
है ना?
किसी को नहीं पता अभी तक.
Yeah, वो नहीं पता. We don't know about that. कि where people are going or where can a starship, spaceship go or that kind of technology can go.
Hmm.
But we know that the black holes bend time. We know that.
ब्लैक होल्स बेंड टाइम.
According to scientists, according to some
ओके.
researchers, they are telling that black holes can also bend time because anything that sucks into can suck so much big energy or particles, it can bend
हाँ.
time.
एग्जैक्टली exactly, क्योंकि वो कहीं तो जा रहा होगा ना. वर्म होल का कॉन्सेप्ट भी तो वही है कि एक जगह से वहां जा रहा है, दूसरा जगह जा रहा है. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू साइंटिस्ट कि वर्म होल जहाँ जा रहे हैं वी कैन नो द प्लेस वेयर वी आर गोइंग.
Exactly.
ब्लैक होल में नहीं पता अभी तक कि कहाँ क्या
नहीं
जाता है.
पता.
वी जस्ट नो दैट समथिंग इट गेट्स कुछ अब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है एंड कुछ हो जाता है. कहाँ पे कहीं पे चला
Yeah.
जाता है, कुछ होता है, वो नहीं मालूम अभी तक. बट ब्लैक होल्स, वर्म होल्स, वो सब तो ठीक है. बट जब हम लोग स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन का बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे बिग बैंग थ्योरी, वी टॉक्ड अबाउट द बिग बैंग थ्योरी, हाउ इट ऑल स्टार्टेड एंड ऑल दैट, द अर्थ वाज फॉर्म्ड. सो ये जो प्लैनेट्स का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, जैसे हम लोग वी हैव बीन नोन के 8 ही प्लैनेट है, एंड द अदर वन इज प्लूटो विच इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज अ ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट. सो
It's a planet right now.
oh, it has been considered as a planet again.
Yeah.
Wow, sudden realization. I didn't know about that. But yeah. So तेरा ये जो planets का जो scene है, these 8 planets और 9 planets जो भी है, they are in our galaxy. ऐसे तो like बहुत सारा galaxies होता है and there are multiverses and all that. वैसे
There
सब
are
हो रहा है.
thousands of galaxies. There are billions of planets,
हाँ.
billions of galaxies.
हाँ.
I mean,
And
there is no
why
end to these things.
why I came to this planet वाला whole point was that कि जो I think we were talking about this earlier कि above everything is something called a cosmos.
Yeah.
So I want you to explain कि वो cosmos वाला concept क्या है वापस.
See, cosmos is nothing but. How do I explain this? See, you've got a planet. You're present in a planet, okay? There's your home and everything, you're on Earth. Around Earth, there are many planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, and there's also one more planet recently discovered, and that is known as a family or a solar system. We are one family, a solar system. And above a solar system, there is a galaxy which consists of hundreds of solar systems, maybe thousands, maybe more. there are many solar systems in this galaxy, and like this, there are millions of galaxies, maybe billions of galaxies.
Hmm.
So millions and billions of galaxies together makes up a universe.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
A practical normal human thinks that there can be only one universe, but there's a term called multi-universe or multi-universe where many
Hmm.
universe exists in which many galaxies exist.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
like these multiverse consists of a cosmos or a cosmic web where so
अच्छा.
many universe exist.
कॉस्मिक वेब, या
Yeah.
एक बार कॉस्मिक वेब का जो सीन है ना, लाइक वी यू टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस कॉस्मोस होल थिंग, बट कॉस्मिक वेब का कुछ अलग स्पेशलिटी है क्या?
See, cosmic web का कोई स्पेशलिटी नहीं है, but if you search for cosmic web, you will find like they are like nerves. मतलब तुम्हारा बॉडी में नर्व्स है ना, तो you'll find
हाँ
कि
हाँ
ऐसे
हाँ.
एक लाइन में नर्व्स ऐसे से निकल रहे हैं. So that is nothing. That's just a web. So they've named it cosmic web because they think that there are many kinds of universe and all which are in a pattern of a nerve structure. So that's why they've named it cosmic web. It's also a cosmos. So
हाँ
it's
हाँ
the
हाँ.
biggest thing by far known to us.
To the For sure, for sure. It's very interesting that you pointed out that nerve part. ये जो the this thing reminded me of one thing suddenly. ठीक है? This thing struck in my mind. I think I was in class. Mm, I guess I was in class 8. हाँ, I was in class 8 or 9 when I read this article. जिस आर्टिकल था या फिर कहीं पे तो कुछ आया था फ़ोन पे कि the structure of the universe is very similar to the structure of our brain.
Exactly.
Not brain, I guess. Not even a brain, a brain cell,
It's actually
I
a
guess.
full. It's actually there are many theories related to what you are saying. Some scientists say that it's a structure of a full body. Some say it's a
Uh-huh.
structure of a nervous system. Some say
Mm-hmm.
it's a structure of a brain. Some say it's a structure of a brain cell. There are
Mm-hmm.
many theories to this that it can be. There is one theory which says that inside us there are many universes
Yeah.
because we don't know what universe actually is. We might be playing as there's an immune system in our body, right, which fights against the other viruses and bacteria coming from outside. So we can play that kind of role also, but in a very small way. It is said that we are living in someone's body. We are a part of that cell. This is also a theory actually, since we cannot prove these kinds of things. So this is
Mm-hmm.
also a theory.
नहीं नहीं, तो तेरे को क्या लगता है? तेरे को मेरे को ये चीज़ तो ठीक है कि लाइक बॉडी यूनिवर्स वो सब तो ठीक है, पर तेरे को क्या लगता है कि लाइक ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, जैसे जो मैं अभी तेरे को बताया कि ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है, इट इज़ वेरी सिमिलर टू वन ऑफ आर ब्रेन्स और ब्रेन सेल्स. आई एम नॉट एग्जैक्टली, याद नहीं आ रहा मेरे को वो एग्जैक्टली क्या लिखा था, बट ब्रेन सेल या फिर ब्रेन जो भी है, डू यू अग्री विद दैट? like do as far as you know or as far as you have researched, do you think that there can be a possibility कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि we are in someone's brain, or we are a brain cell itself or something like that?
See, if you've got an open mind, anything is possible.
For sure.
It's just basic thing that if you are open to learning everything, you can believe that this can also happen. Something like this can also happen, or something like which we could not think about. I guess around 100 years back, that space exploration was a thing, but we have done it. Cars were not a thing, mobile phones were not a thing, but we did it. We had thought about it. So if we think like that, this can happen. So yes, I think this is a theory and this can happen, but it may not happen also because there are many like debates on this that
नहीं नहीं, अरे
Like,
तो नहीं नहीं मैं वो
हाँ,
पूछ ही नहीं रहा, मैं वो चीज़ के ऊपर नहीं जा रहा, बट मैं आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट यू, ठीक है, एज अ पर्सन, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस, लाइक यू कैन से योर ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन कि नहीं यार ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, या फिर हाँ यार शायद हो सकता है.
nay, actually, I believe that this can happen, and this can not also happen. I was going there only
अच्छा
because there are several debates about this.
अच्छा अच्छा. ओके सो
So
मतलब तू
I
बताने वाला है कि लाइक ऐसा क्यों हो सकता है शायद, या फिर ऐसा क्यों नहीं भी हो सकता है शायद. दैट्स व्हाट यू आर
हाँ,
गोइंग टू से, राइट? या
yeah.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, कंटिन्यू या.
So how can this happen? See, like we are playing, like we have got our immune system in our own bodies. So we can also play as immune system in someone else's bodies. Like we found evidence of the cosmic web, which is nothing actually a nerve. So
Hmm.
it can happen that we are playing as the role of a blood cell or something smaller than that, a microorganism in someone else's body, because there are things smaller to us also. Because anything can happen, because we've just discovered we've just been talking about quantum realm. Like we've seen in movies like Avengers and these things, they talk about quantum realm. These scientists talk about that anything can be small. There are things smaller and smaller to 1,000 or 1 million time of us also. There's
Hmm.
this being which is very strong in
Hmm.
the whole universe, that can survive in space and on Earth and on any given environment. So if a thing can be that small, a thing can be that big also.
Hmm.
It's just this.
Interesting. इंटरेस्टिंग इंटरेस्टिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. बट या ये जो तू यूनिवर्स के मतलब बॉडी के अंदर यूनिवर्स का एक बात किया ना, तेरे को पता है हम लोग बचपन में जब कृष्णा का स्टोरी सब पढ़ते थे तब एक ऐसा भी इंसिडेंट्स हुआ था जिसमें आई गेस उनका मुंह खोलने को कुछ बोला था एंड द होल
Actually, that
यूनिवर्स
story
वाज.
was when Krishna had eaten makhan.
हाँ
Sorry, Krishna had eaten sand, dirt.
हाँ
And Yashoda Ma had come to him and was shouting at him and screaming at him and was telling that you should not eat dirt, and told him to open his mouth.
हाँ
And when he opened his mouth, Yashoda Ma saw the universe, the
हाँ
cosmos,
हाँ
the ever expanding universe, galaxies and
हाँ हाँ हाँ
planets and Earth inside him and
हाँ
beings inside him.
हाँ
So actually, that's the case. Anything can happen.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. नहीं जब तू बोल रहा है ना, मैं तो भाई ये वाला चीज़ तो मैं कार्टून फॉर्मेट में देखा हूँ. मतलब मैं जब छोटा तब तब ये आई गेस तू जब छोटा था तब नहीं हुआ होगा शायद, एनिमेटेड फॉर्म में आया था ये सब. नहीं मैं जब छोटा
उस
था
टाइम
ना.
नहीं आया था, बट
हाँ
तुम
मेरा
लोग
टाइम में
इतना,
आया
वी
था
हैव
पूरा.
गॉट हार्डली एज डिफरेंस यार, 5 से 6 साल डिफरेंस
हाँ
होगा.
हाँ हाँ वो बात भी है, बट स्टिल
तो
5 से 6 साल में भी एनिमेशन इतना बढ़ गया भाई. हंगामा टीवी में आता था, हंगामा में आता था या कार्टून नेटवर्क में आता था याद नहीं है भाई, बट हाँ एक पूरा शो था पूरा.
लिटिल कृष्णा.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली लिटिल कृष्ण. नहीं आई गेस वो डिज्नी में आता था. बट एनीवेज तीन तीन चैनल का प्रमोशन हो गया. बट जो भी या सो ये जो तू बात बोला ना तब मेरे को यही यही वाला चीज़ मेरे को दिमाग में चला, अरे भाई हाँ यार ये तो बचपन में देखा था कहीं. बट या जो भी सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग, हम लोग वापस बीइंग्स पे आ गए, लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. सो टेल मी, अगर अगर लेट्स टेक फॉर अ फैक्ट कि सपोज ये हम लोग के अलग है ये सब चीज़, लाइक जैसे हम लोग अभी बोले ना कि इट माइट बी दैट कि वी आर लिविंग इनसाइड समवन और दिस होल थिंग इज अ ब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर, द होल यूनिवर्स. लेट्स फॉरगेट दैट फॉर अ सेकंड एंड लेट्स जस्ट थिंक दैट ये दोनों अलग अलग चीज़ है, ठीक है, बिकॉज देयर माइट बी पीपल हु माइट डिसअग्री विद दिस कॉन्सेप्ट फुल्ली. सो अगर ये अलग अलग चीज़ है, डू यू थिंक कि ये सपोज यूनिवर्स है, ठीक है, like as people say the universe makes its own destiny, or like the universe will make its own way for you, you will in the end universe will make good things happen to you and in the end everything will be all right. उसका मतलब क्या कि मीन्स उस चीज़ का किसी तुम्हारे ऊपर कहीं ना कहीं इम्पैक्ट होने वाला है, लाइक राइट. अगर तुम बोल रहे हो कि ये चीज़ मेरे को एट दी इन दी एंड अच्छा करवा ही देने वाला है, या फिर बुरा ऐसा होने ही वाला है, या फिर सब डेस्टिनी है, ये है वो है, मतलब ये चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं इम्पैक्ट कर रहा होगा. My question to you, is that कि like uh, do you think कि ये ऐसा impactful होता है? Do you think that there is some external entity which impacts on our life and according to that our life works?
See, we cannot say that as entity, but we can say that as the power of the universe.
Mm-hmm.
Like हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कर्मा, कर्मा will
Hmm.
see you. ऐसे कर कर्मा will see you. कर्मा तुमको देखेगा.
हाँ भाई.
कर्म का फल सबको को मिलता है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So we talk about this karma because we can see that whatever you give, you get.
Hmm.
You give happiness to others, you get happiness in return. You give like criticism to others, the criticism will come back to you. Be it from that medium or someone else's medium,
Hmm.
but it will come back. Be it anything, be it the good, the bad, the whatever, anything, but
Hmm.
it will definitely come back because universe plays like a father. You do
Hmm.
good, he'll reward you. You do bad, he'll slap you.
Hmm. Hmm.
It's
Hmm.
that case.
This brings a very interesting concept in my mind, which I guess I have covered this thing in one of my previous episodes also. And recently इस चीज़ के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा लोग वो करते हैं कि लाइक नहीं ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. But personally I do believe something called manifestations and like law of attraction to some extent. So the whole point of that is only like that only somewhat similar to that कि like it doesn't there are people who also claim कि नहीं खाली ऐसे visualize करो और ऐसे करो सब हो जाएगा. That is obviously not the case. It's always on your karma, as you said, कि तुम जितना काम करोगे उतना ही होगा. So the whole I wanted to clarify this whole thing personally, क्योंकि ये मेरे को बहुत बार ना मेरे को लाइक मैं कहीं कहीं सुनता हूँ ना. सो इट काइंड ऑफ फील्स offensive to me because I do believe in visualizations and manifestations, and then there are like obviously there are people who don't agree with that. So the whole point of me telling this is that कि हाँ you have to work, you have to do your karam, or you have to whatever is that whole concept, and then only you have to visualize about it. The visualization is the step which happens at night when you are done with everything, with your work, with the hard work you put it, and then you think of the results कि हाँ शायद ऐसा हो सकता है. If I have put in this work, this is what I want in return. उसमें कुछ खराब तो नहीं है. तुम किसी चीज़ का अच्छा चीज़ के बारे में सोचो तो खराब भी तो नहीं है उसमें. बट हाँ यू शुडंट मेक इट लाइक फील गुड थिंग कि भाई मैं सोच रहा हूँ अरे वाह 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 अरे यार ऐसा ही होगा मज़ा आएगा. वैसे वैसे नहीं
Yeah,
होता.
you should do it actually.
हाँ yeah, it has personally helped me a lot. But yeah, this episode is not about law of attraction and meditation and all that. But so we're talking about space explorations. So tell me what are your experiences or what are your researches about this whole space thing, which has tell me one very interesting thing which you have recently or which you have known about space जो तेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा अभी तक.
If you're talking about space, there's not only one thing interesting. There's always many things
फॉर
that
श्योर
are
फॉर श्योर हाँ.
interesting.
हाँ हाँ बट
But
रिलेटिवली हम लोग कंसिडर करेंगे. हम लोग साथ एक ही साथ तेरे को थोड़ी ना तेरे को एक एपिसोड में सारा बॉम्ब थोड़ी फोड़ना है भाई. सब आस्ते आस्ते फोड़ेंगे हम लोग.
so recently, actually, uh, if you know about the Saturn and Jupiter conjunction,
अच्छा
which is happening on or which has happened on
brief
21st of
about it.
December.
Brief about it.
See,
Means I might know or I might not know, and but the audience might
yeah.
not know. So brief about it.
So
What is it?
basically, the Saturn and Jupiter conjunction is when the these two planets are coming together at one point. This is a conjunction.
अच्छा
Saturn and Jupiter are coming like this
अच्छा
on 21st
अच्छा
of December, if I'm not wrong.
21st
So
like this Monday. What
21st
the
of
hell?
December,
Okay.
yeah.
अच्छा
So this is the conjunction point. I have been watching it every day for the past 1 month till
Okay.
today, and
Okay.
going for the next 1 month also again after the
अच्छा
conjunction also when they are departing. So this is a good moment. a
अच्छा,
recent good moment
very recent,
in
हाँ.
my life. Yeah, this is the very
क-
recent one.
तो
Current
ये
and going one.
कंजंक्शन मतलब क्या, एक लाइन में आएंगे क्या, ऐसे बोल रहा है तू?
They will मतलब दो planets एक साथ आएंगे एक दूसरे के पीछे.
हाँ, मतलब जैसे एक्लिप्स टाइप होता है हम लोग का, वैसा टाइप.
Eclipse type होता है exactly.
तो इस
And
चीज़
you
का
will
कोई.
be able to see them with your naked eyes. You will be able to see one of the planets with your naked eyes, but it
अच्छा.
would be very small, very 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 small.
अच्छा, बिकॉज ऑफ द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम अर्थ.
Just like the star, yeah, because of distance. You can see Mars as the red planet. You will be able to spot that is Mars, yeah, because it is a bit
हम्म.
slightly red. You will feel it, it's red. That's
अच्छा.
Mars. You'll be able to
अच्छा.
see Venus, but you would not, matlab, like every day you see Mars and Venus, you cannot see Jupiter and Saturn, but you can see it very minutely. If you've got a telescope, it's
हाँ.
brilliant.
हाँ, ये
It's
कॉन्सेप्ट, ये
brilliant if
वाला
you've got a
कॉन्सेप्ट तो
telescope,
ऐसे ही
yeah.
नॉर्मली भी हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, मॉर्निंग स्टार और इवनिंग स्टार. वो तो
Venus,
नॉर्मली
that is
है.
Venus,
हाँ हाँ
yeah.
हाँ. बट
The first
दिस
morning
दिस.
star and the last sorry, the last morning star and the first evening
हाँ
star
हाँ
is
हाँ
Venus.
हाँ 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 हाँ. Exactly. And so you're saying that we will now be able to see an alignment of it on 21st
Exactly, of
December.
Saturn and Jupiter
Okay,
on
I guess
21st
this
December.
podcast will be released later. So just check the news if Sharad is right. वरना comments से गाली निकला. नहीं 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 नहीं, we are just kidding. नहीं नहीं, शरद शरद मेरा बात का बुरा नहीं मानता. शरद एंड मी आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. But yeah, जो भी. So that was the very recent one, and one more interesting fact or theory which you have heard, which is kind of very known, but कुछ add on अगर तेरे को कुछ करना है, जैसे I guess you were talking about something related to about the moon landings and Mars में जो वो हो रहा है तेरा.
Elon Musk is going to.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, इलॉन मस्क. या आई फॉरगॉट हिज नेम, व्हाट द हेल. वही मैं सोच रहा था इतना टाइम से उसका नाम क्या था, बट हाँ. So we were talking about, since we are talking about space explorations, this is a very recent one, the Elon Musk thing which has landed on Mars, and the another space exploration, another. हाँ हाँ हाँ, another space exploration thing was the moon landings जो initially हुआ था. So let's not get into the initial ones, because since this is a very introductory episode, we'll talk about the moon landings जो initially वैसे हुआ था. So what are your thoughts on the moon landings?
See, my thoughts I'll come at the last, but let me explain. There
Okay.
were the moon landing occurred on July 16th, 1969, if I'm not wrong. So people say that there are two types of people in this world who say, one say that the moon landing was staged at that time, July 16, 19, in 1969. And the second type of people are who believe that technology was achieved at that time. So uh, in these two people, I believe that that technology could have happened, because if NASA could have faked the videos of the moon landing, that would practically be genius, because that technology and at that time was sheer genius. So I doubt that we had achieved that kind of picture quality at that time, because we were running black and white films at that time, and with not so good quality and films and etc etc. But moon landings had actually occurred, which was confirmed by Neil Armstrong and his co-pilots. So the people who three people who were there. So I guess moon landings occurred, and there was a rocket Apollo mission which had gone through moon. But I don't understand what had happened after the moon landing. They never returned to the moon. I don't know. Yeah, because
Interesting.
moon is so close to us, we can reach
Interesting.
it within a week or maybe a week or more. I don't know. But I don't understand why we have not spent manned missions on moon. That's a very curious thing, because if we have gone to the moon and we are going to the Mars, we can go to moon very easily. But I don't know why we have not gone to the moon.
Hmm.
So I don't know. We have to research that kind of thing, and that's not been leaked also.
नहीं नहीं, रीसेंट तू मतलब तू क्या बोलने मांग रहा है कि लाइक उसके बाद से मून
हुआ नहीं है।
लैंडिंग्स हुआ नहीं है?
हाँ।
क्या बोल रहा है?
हाँ।
क्या बात कर रहा है? नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग
नहीं
के
हुआ
बाद
है।
मून
अरे
लैंडिंग्स नहीं
अभी
हुआ?
चाइनीज, द
हट।
चाइनीज हैव लैंडेड ऑन द मून रिसेंटली।
भाई इंडिया का तो हुआ है मून
कहाँ
लैंडिंग।
हुआ है? आदमी लोग कौन गया ये बता। सर्च कर ले। अभी
ये
सर्च
क्या,
कर, कंप्यूटर पे बैठा,
मून
कंप्यूटर
लैंडिंग
पे
नहीं
बैठा,
हुआ?
अभी सर्च कर, एक बार सर्च कर, मेरा भी क्लैरिफिकेशन
अबे
होने
मेरा
दे।
इसमें नेट
मेरा भी
नहीं
वही
है।
प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है,
इसमें
रुक।
नेट नहीं है।
एक मिनट रुक।
हाँ हाँ, इंडियन मून लैंडिंग एक बार
हम
सर्च
बस
कर ले।
देख रहे हैं मून लैंडिंग आफ्टर 1969। There were 6 crew landings between 1969 and 72. After that, no soft landings happened till 2013, in which one was attempted and the other never landed. And in 2020, a Chinese spacecraft landed there, flag on the moon.
तो इंडियन मून लैंडिंग हुआ नहीं है?
अबे इंडियन
एक,
का वो सैटेलाइट भेजा गया है।
अच्छा
The people have not. ये
अच्छा।
देख, there's this thing in 2019. Why haven't humans gone back to the moon since Apollo missions?
हाँ हाँ
On
हाँ
December
हाँ
13,
हाँ
I'm recording this. ये तुम put करना, रुक।
हाँ 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 हाँ।
हम इसको रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है। On December 13, 1972, uh,
हम्म।
the scientist astronaut Schmidt, I guess his name was that, and
हम्म।
रुक, ये पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा।
नहीं नहीं, वो तो ठीक है। तू तू मेरे को खाली एक बार लिख ले। इंडियन मून लैंडिंग नहीं, इंडियन मून लैंडिंग एक बार देख।
अरे 69 के बाद मून लैंडिंग ही नहीं हुआ है।
ओ भाई।
जुलाई, 2 astronauts were put on the moon on July 20th। जुलाई 16 को यहाँ से निकला था, जुलाई 20th को मून लैंडिंग हुआ था, और उसके बाद में कभी नहीं हुआ है।
अच्छा, तो रिसेंट में खाली वो चाइना वाला जो तू बोल रहा है
चाइना में
वही
मून
हुआ है?
लैंडिंग नहीं हुआ, वो भी रोबोट से तुम्हारा फ्लैग लगाया गया है। रुको,
अच्छा,
स्टिल लेट मी सर्च।
ये तो भाई काफी मेरे को नहीं, मेरे को एक्चुअली नहीं पता था इस चीज का बारे में। मेरे को लगा हुआ है मून लैंडिंग्स बहुत।
मून लैंडिंग नहीं हुआ है। द सैटेलाइट्स एंड ऑल वर प्रेजेंट, बट मून लैंडिंग नहीं हुआ है। नासा टारगेटेड 2028 फॉर द फर्स्ट क्रूड लूनर लैंडिंग सिंस अपोलो डेज। हाँ, तो नहीं हुआ है, अभी तक नहीं हुआ है।
ओह, तब तो
Let's
भाई
put
ये
this.
वेरी जीनियस मूव है।
Let's put this in our video. NASA has
हाँ,
plans for
ये तो भाई
landing.
काफी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट हो गया है
Yeah.
वीडियो का। काफी
NASA.
इंटरेस्टिंग
It's
एपिसोड।
actually the thing
हाँ।
that NASA has planned a manned mission of Moon after 1972, and after 4 years from 2020, that is in 2024. NASA has plans for landing people on the moon in 2024 again after 1972, as per the websites, as per my research, as I know.
अच्छा।
And meanwhile, all the landings that have occurred have been done by spacecrafts or the satellites. But any manned mission was done last in 1972 by 6 astronauts from NASA after 69 and then 72 and straight to 24. India is planning a moon landing also, but I have got no information about that. So they might be planning for upcoming 4 years. They have got Gangayaan,
हाँ
Chandrayaan. They've got many names as many planned missions also.
भाई साहब, दिस वाज वेरी, ओके ओके, दिस वाज वेरी, आई नीड टाइम टू टेक दिस ऑल इन। बिकॉज
So
नहीं,
see,
जनरली मेरे को लगा, आई हैवंट सर्च्ड अबाउट मून लैंडिंग्स ऑफन, बट आई थॉट हुआ ही होगा ना, फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ है तो उसके बाद तो हुआ ही होगा।
I was also
बट
in shock when I first read that there were multiple websites which showed that moon landing has not occurred after 69, but there was one website or two which were telling that the last moon landing occurred with the Apollo spaceship, sorry, the Apollo rocket, and which happened in 1972 by 6 astronauts, and after that, according to websites, there have not been any moon landing. So the next moon landing by NASA is in
भाई
2024.
साहब,
And I don't know if
भाई
any private
साहब,
agency or space agency of other worlds have been there, because according to Google, no.
भाई साहब, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। Yeah, let's just keep the curiosity of the audience over here, क्योंकि we are always going to I have thought of about this कि like we'll end the podcast at a point जहाँ पे हम लोग बहुत peak पे चले गए, and then
हाँ
we'll just suddenly be like okay guys, यहाँ पे हम लोग छोड़ रहे हैं, अब तुम अपना रिसर्च करो, हम अपना रिसर्च करेंगे और फिर मिला के नेक्स्ट एपिसोड एकदम करेंगे.
एकदम. और
Yeah,
नेक्स्ट
so
एपिसोड वहीं से
that
चालू करेंगे.
हाँ, and we'll take in your questions or your assumptions on all these things. Do comment whatever your viewpoint about this is, so that we'll get to know a better idea about this. And let me know how how y'all think about this series, ke how impactful this can be or how better it can be. All feedbacks, anything, any criticism, please do comment or just ping me on Instagram. Everything is taken in positively, so no worries. Yeah, if you like the video, do hit the subscribe button, comment, like, whatever, you all know the drill. And any last piece of thing you want to say, Sharad,
Just
about
one
this
thing,
whole
that if
series
I'm
thing?
wrong anywhere, I'm really very sorry. My research must be incomplete. So don't take it negatively. Don't shout at me or at the Visionary show. Please be patient and please correct us if we are wrong anywhere. Thank you for your patience. Please
Exactly.
do subscribe.
Thank you, exactly. That's how we end this. See you till the next time. Bye bye.